In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete songs in Studio One or Studio Pro. Now to do this, first you want to open Studio One or Studio Pro, and then when you do so over here, before you actually open anything, you can see recent files over here. Now here you want to find the song you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this one over here from yesterday. You want to right click it and you want to click on Show in Explorer. Now whenever you do this, it's going to open up your File Explorer on your computer, and these are all the files containing your song, okay? So over here, what you want to do is go one back. So I'm currently in this folder up top, but of course this is in my downloads folder. So I'm just going to go and click on downloads. And as you can see, it's automatically going to highlight this specific folder I just had open, okay? So what you want to do is simply click and then delete this folder by clicking this button up top, and that's going to delete your song, okay? You could also go in here and right click and remove from recent files list, and that's all you have to do for you to delete your songs in Studio One. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.